Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. If you are a real estate developer or broker running digital campaigns, do you know how many of your leads are actually converting into site visits and how many of those site visits are turning into bookings? This simulator maps your full funnel and tells you exactly what your marketing budget is returning per booking. This is the real estate lead to booking simulator by Upgrowth. It is specifically built for real estate businesses and calibrated with real estate specific benchmarks. So let's quickly check how this works. We have 8 input fields here. Let us go through each one. First is setting your currency to INR or USD, and next is monthly marketing budget. Is nothing but your total spend on marketing each month. Property type is a category of property your business primarily sells, like if residential, commercial, or mixed use. I've selected residential here. And next is average property value is the typical transaction value of a property sale, the full sale price, not the commission. And monthly leads generated is the total number of leads your marketing brings in each month from all channels combined. And next is leads to site visit rate is the percentage of those leads who actually come in for a site visit or property viewing. I've entered 30%, meaning 15 out of every 50 leads make it to a site visit. And site visit to booking rate is a percentage of site visits that convert into an actual booking or token amount paid. I've entered 15%, meaning 2 out of every 15 visit become bookings. And city tier is where your properties are located. Select from tier 1, which covers metros like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Chennai. And also, we have tier 2, those are major cities, and tier 3, secondary. The last input is primary marketing channel, is the main source of leads. I've selected digital here, which covers both organic and paid channels together. We have other inputs too on the top down. You can select the relevant ones. Now let's click on calculate ROI, and the output will be visible instantly on the right side. So here is what the output shows. Monthly bookings is 2, that is how many property bookings your current funnel is producing each month from 50 leads, and cost per booking is rupees 50,000, your monthly marketing budget of rupees 1 lakh divided by 2 bookings. And revenue per booking is 50 lakh, that is full property transaction value per booking, not the commission or margin. And marketing ROI is 100%, meaning the transaction value generated per booking is 100 times the cost it took to acquire that booking. And here the monthly funnel performance visual shows the three stages clearly: 50 leads coming in at the top, 15 reaching site visits, and 2 becoming bookings. This makes it easy to see where the biggest drop offs are happening in your channel. In this case, from leads to site visits at 30%, and from site visit to bookings at 15%. And here we have 12-month booking projection chart, shows how your bookings are expected to vary month by month from January to December, with visible seasonal peaks around mid-year, which is typically for the residential real estate market in Indian metros. And the key insight confirms 100x return points to strong market fit and an efficient funnel for the budget being spent. Most real estate marketing teams measure their success in leads, and lead volume is easy to report, but leads are not bookings. And a funnel with 50 leads and 2 bookings is very different from one with 20 leads and 4 bookings, even though the second produces twice the revenue on fewer inquiries. So this simulator makes the conversion rate visible at every stage, so you know exactly which part of your funnel to fix. At 5% improvement in site visit to booking rate on this scenario would add one more booking per month, which at rupees 50 lakh per transaction means rupees 50 lakhs more in monthly revenue from the same marketing budget. So run this with your own lead volumes and conversion rates before your next campaign review. The link is in the description. And if you want Upro to help you improve your real estate funnel and marketing efficiency, book a free strategy call with us right below here. We can help you out. Thank you.